Hello viewers, it's Toneroartwork, your favorite artist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect cross hashing for you to be able to get a perfect hyper-realistic drawing like this. You know, if you look at this drawing, you see that there was cross hashing on this drawing. But by what I mean by cross hashing is this cross hashing was done to get this drawing, to make it realistic. Okay, I want to show you people how to make a realistic drawing like this. A realistic drawing like this by making a perfect practice of cross hashing. Join me as I show you how to make cross hashing. Thank you very much. So for the materials that you use, number one, you need a charcoal pencil. Okay, this is a charcoal pencil to get the dark areas of the shades. Then you need a blending stone for you to be able to blend the cross hashing. Then you need a brush, a hard brush, and then a soft brush, any of these two. Then you need a soft graphite pencil, you need another charcoal pencil, you need a charcoal pencil, and then you need a soft graphite pencil. So anyone that you're able to get, it is okay, but just make sure that you get the necessary materials. Now let's go. So we are going to do the cross hashing now. So now, what is cross hashing? Cross hashing is just a combination of lines meeting at a point. So I have something like this, then I have something like this. This is cross hashing, okay? These lines meet at a point, at a junction. They cross each other. That is the essence of the cross hashing. So if you want to make a perfect cross hashing, first get your soft graphite pencil, hold it very well, bless your hand perfectly, and then you begin to shape. Ensure that the lines are not too thick. Let it be thin lines. Now, when you start, let it go in one direction. Then you go in another direction. Right? So if you want to make a circle and cross hash it, want to cross hash this circle now, then let's pick our dark area, assuming here will be dark and here will be light. Light is coming in here, so here will be dark, here will be light. So we'll start by adding dark tones to the darker areas. The lighter areas, you can use the soft graphite pencil. So you can add more strokes as long as you want for you to be able to get a perfect form. So with this, you can see that the light is incident here. Light is incident here. So light is incident here in the direction of this pencil. So here is going to be light and here is going to be dark. So this leads us to the forms and the shapes of artwork. So you must know when it's lighter, you know where you have the middle tone, then you know where you have the dark tone. So from this drawing, this is the lightest tone here, you have the middle tone here, then we have the darkest tone here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to Toneroartwork on YouTube channel, and also follow me on Facebook as Toneroartwork, and also on Instagram as Toneroartwork. Thank you very much and God bless.